Hi everyone! Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making Snickerdoodle cookies. Snickerdoodles have some of the best warm and toasty holiday flavors, and they're one of our most requested cookie treats. Our recipe uses both shortening and butter for cookies that are soft and chewy on the inside with crisp edges. They're a favorite Christmas cookie and part of our Christmas cookie collection. We're posting new festive cookie recipes daily. Watch till the last recipe for a special holiday treat. Here's everything you need to make them: cinnamon, 2 eggs, cream of tartar, a half cup of butter and shortening, sugar, flour, baking soda, vanilla, and kosher salt, and we'll be using a mortar and pestle to crush this a bit. I've listed the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below, and check the comments for a printable recipe. First, to make the cinnamon sugar. For these snickerdoodles, I like a cinnamon sugar mixture where you can really taste the cinnamon, not just a hint of cinnamon. So my mixture has 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Give this a mix and set it aside for later. Begin preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Then, in a large bowl, add 8 tablespoons of softened salted butter and 8 tablespoons of butter-flavored vegetable shortening. Blend using a hand or stand mixer on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Scrape the sides of the bowl and add 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Add 2 eggs, and then mix on medium speed until it's creamy and well blended, about a minute. If you love snickerdoodles, you should check out our snickerdoodle cake recipe. I'll link it up here for you. It is delicious. And if you're planning for your Christmas cookie table, don't miss our holiday cookie collection. We're posting new flavors and favorites daily to celebrate. They're all easy to make, and your holiday guests will be in cookie heaven. And if you have any cookie recipe requests, let me know in the comments. I love discovering new recipes with you guys. Scrape the bowl, then beat for another minute. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and beat for another minute. And it should be creamy and fluffy at this stage, like this. Next, to mix the dry ingredients, measure out 2 3/4 cup of flour. Add 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and this will give the cookies a little tangy taste, and it helps keep the cookies soft and chewy on the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and add a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed kosher salt. And crushing the salt into finer crystals will help it distribute more evenly in the batter. Okay, give this all a whisk to combine. Then add the dry ingredients to the dough in thirds. Use a spoon to mix just until the flour is incorporated. Take a generous pinch of dough, about a tablespoon, and roll it into balls that are about 1.5 inches in size. And these don't have to be perfect. Roll each dough in the cinnamon sugar mixture that we made earlier. I really love this recipe because it goes right into the oven. There's no chilling required. Place the balls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet, about 2 inches apart. Bake just until the cookies are set on the edges but still soft in the middle. For me, this was about 8 minutes. When they're done, let the cookies cool on a wire rack. This recipe will make 3 to 4 dozen depending on how big you make the cookies. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've linked the playlist for all of our Christmas cookies here and in the description. Remember, we're adding more recipes every day. Watch all 25 cookie recipes. Share your favorites, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.